back out here, hooked up with the little guy. Nice little guy on a Friday morning before I go to work. Sun just started shining. It's been cloudy, windy, and shitty. And here we are. I was just tying on a chatterbait. I'll show you what I had. This piece of shiner right here. Just hanging out at the bottom, like I always do. This little guy. And along and friggin' choked it. That came right out though, so that's good. No damage done to the fish. Nice little guy. Nothing fancy. Nothing too fancy. Just a nice little bass. Still a little chilly out here. Caught him right over yonder on the little branch that's sticking out right there. Sun just coming up. Looking like it's gonna be a beautiful day. Me and the girlie are going to get a hotel and hang out tonight. No jacuzzi action. I'm out here by myself. The water level has come up tremendously. If you guys recall this spot from past videos. Get this guy back in the water. And even those rocks right there, that was me and my dad last weekend, the bricks. It's come up that much. Enough for a bass to fit there. Ooh, this water is chilly. You good, bud? Ready to go? Later, dude. Anyways, yeah, this water's come up crazy. That looks like it might have a bite on it, too. Hard to tell. Yeah, it's looking like it's gonna be a nice day today, though. Got a couple more dead shiners I'm gonna set up, throw out. Actually gonna make a little video out of this, I guess. That was nice. I wasn't planning on it. Me and my dad are supposed to go out Sunday. It's Friday. Figured I'd get a little head start. This is what I just tied on. Little perch looking chatterbait deal. I was about to get this all set up and all of a sudden my pole started going. Water's all wicked choppy. But yeah, I cast out. Go back to what I was doing. Well, now we're just sitting here at the two poles with the cut bait. Kind of lost the chatterbait. See that little yellow right about there, right there. That's my chatterbait. So, you know, there's that. So I'm just sitting here waiting for something to grab one of them. Oh, looks like getting tight. A lot of wind today though, so everything's really hard. I think tomorrow for a couple hours I'm gonna go try to catch some trout, so stay tuned for that. Never caught a trout, so I'm really excited to go try to do that. Do it for the channel, do it for me. And Sunday, first time taking the boat out this year, so this week should have a bunch of cool videos coming out. I'll post this one either today or tomorrow. Saturday's video will come out Monday or Tuesday. The other one will come out Thursday or Friday. Try to space them out. But I'll have a couple of good videos for you guys this week. Hopefully some longer videos. I'm trying to narrate and actually give it something, you know. But yeah, I got too fancy out. One has a worm with a shiner on it. The other one just has a shiner. Got a little bit of this bass incentive. Got the mealworms, got the crawlers, scales out, gloves, dead shines. You know, the usual. Just waiting for something to bite. I hate fishing like this sometimes. That's why I want a boat. Take the canoe out. I can hit all the coves. This kicks back there. There's a cove over here that kicks around an island. Back, goes back to the left. It's a little clay pit. Then into the right, back over here where you can't really see. You can kind of see it, that little bit of patch of fucking water right there. Cuts over into that. Back over there's a little path. That stuff is so clear compared to this stuff. Like, visibility is horrible in this water. It doesn't look horrible right now, but it is clay. Everything's just, even with it just smacking up on the bank, it's making all the clay kick up. Visibility is horrible, so only imagine why it's taking so long to get a bite. They stinky though, so keep you guys updated. Shit, well, I had one, but per usual, trying to get the camera going and stuff, threw it right back over where he was, so we'll find out, I guess. Man, that sucks. Why don't you just leave this thing running? Well, still got one pull out with some cut bait on it, but that's gonna about wrap it up for us today. Gonna pack everything up, give it a couple minutes for this guy, and head on out. We got the one, two got away. Like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna try to catch some trout tomorrow. So either way, my attempt will be uploaded tomorrow. I know the pond just got stocked last week, so it should be plenty of trout. I should have no problem catching one. Hopefully. I've never done it or tried, so I got small hooks, I got worms, I got power bait, I got little fucking mealworms. I think I got plenty of stuff to try to give it an attempt. And then Sunday I'm coming back here to the glorious honey hole and taking the boat out with my dad, hopefully. If not my dad, I'll be by myself. Either way, we're taking it out. We're getting after a Sunday. Stay tuned, guys. Till then, fish on.